Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English language class. So, already we have started our new chapter 10 singular and plural nouns. And I explained to you where you have to use or where you have to add s or es to make the words plural. Today we will learn some more words, and these words, when we are going to make it plural form, we will not add s or es. The word will be totally changed. So first, all of you take out your book, page number 39. This page. Now at the top, put classwork and today's date here. So let's start our work. See, this is a foot. These are feet. So this is a singular form and this is plural, or this is one, and see here more than one. So it will be feet. Then here a man. See, a man. More than one is called men. A mouse. More than one, mice. See, we are not adding s or es. These words are totally changed from this singular form. Now a child, more than one, children. children, children. A goose, geese. More than one is geese. A omen, omen. A tooth, these are teeth. An ox, more than one, oxen. Why we use an here? Because ox, this word started with a vowel. O is a vowel. You know, children? So O is a vowel. So O is a vowel. That's why we will use here an. Before vowel, we have to use an. And before consonant, we have to use a. This a or an, where we have to use, you will learn later on. So, this word started with O. O is a vowel, so we have to use an. An means also one. So, an ox, oxen. These things today we will write in our classwork copy. And for this page, whatever words I have given to your classwork copy, you have to learn that words only. So, again you have to make 2 columns. In the last class we have done. Now today you have to write again at the top singular and plural. Now put classwork and today's date here. What we have learned just now, you have to write in your copy. So foot, feet. Man, men. Child, children. Mouse, mice. Tooth, teeth. Oman, omen. Ox, oxen. Okay, children? Now, today we will do a very interesting thing. Along our chapter 10, we have finished here. Now, we will do a new thing. What is that? That is composition. In your previous class, that means in your UKG, I hope you have learnt about myself. Composition means that topic, whatever you will get, you have to write few sentences. So today we will do composition. And my mother. You have to write few sentences on your mother. So first, all of you, in your copy, take out a new page. And first, can you see a box? You have to paste your mother's photo here. Passport size or small photo, you have to paste here. Then you write my mother. I know you all love your mother. So, my mother. We will learn few sentences on our mother. Now, at the top or below the photo, you will write my mother. Then, sentence 1. My mother's name is, your mother's name you have to write here along with the surname. So, my mother's name is dash. Number 2, sentence 2. She is my best friend. Your mother is your best friend, no? My mother is my best friend. So, I hope your mother is your best friend. So, she is my best friend. Full stop. Sentence 3. She is very beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I, beauty, F-U-L, full. At the end, don't forget to put a full stop. Now, number 4. She is very kind and caring person. She is very kind and caring. C-A-R-I-N-G. Caring person. P-E-R-S-O-N, person. She cares you and your family, no? So all our mothers are very caring and kind. Now, sentence 5. She is very hardworking. She is very hardworking. All the day, your mothers do some works at your home, no? So, our mothers are very hardworking. So, today you have to write these 5 sentences. Next day, I will give you more sentences. So, I am repeating. Number 1, my mother's name is dash. Number 2, she is my best friend. Sentence 3, she is very beautiful. 4, she is very kind and caring person. 5th one, she is very hardworking. More 5 sentences I will give you in the next day. So what you have to do? You have to learn the singulars and plurals forms as well as 5 sentences on your mother. So today, till this much. Thank you and have a nice day.